The Notice Emergency Invasive Ventilator Program has been successful in getting capabilities together in Australia to manufacture these ventilators. First and foremost, it's the right thing to do. I mean, this is a global pandemic, it's a global emergency, and so in my view, it's incumbent on every individual and every organisation to do everything they can to make things better. And in the case of Anchor, we have capabilities that are a good match. And when Wayne Drysdale, our after-service manager, who was the person at Anchor who initiated this activity, when he mentioned this to me, I said, yeah, I agree completely. This is something we need to be a part of. And I really think it's a great way for us as an organisation to give something back to the community as well.
Anchor is Melbourne-based, and we were very excited by the prospect of being involved with a homegrown project and helping make a contribution in the manufacturing industry to support our medical industry. Anchor is a manufacturer of precision machine tools. A lot of the skills which are in that industry can be applied to this ventilator project. So we've got a machine shop which is capable of manufacturing parts to the highest precision.
So we're a well-established global business. A lot of the processes required to deliver this type of project are already in place in Anchor. The supply chain systems, our ERP systems, our quality systems, we've got the design departments as well. So really we can leverage off all of those systems to be able to deliver the project. And particularly, this is obviously a medical project. You have to have those systems in place to allow for the traceability. So the timeline for the project was extremely tight. Initially, we got the prints and started manufacturing the parts straight away. The guys on the shop floor have had to then get involved, work weekends. We had guys working over Easter as well. No problems at all. Everybody really was keen to get involved and help out. The other challenge we're facing is that we have to run this project within the coronavirus setting, so to speak. So we've set zoning up inside the factory to keep the guys as safe as we can through the process.